friend, as you see now we are testing our Ms.Lemon camera in dark night, and now in our city is very cold. You can see this is our new latest Ms.Lemon camera. We use the advanced technology, make the NETD less 20 mK. Okay, let me compare the size with my finger show you. And this thermal mode adopter 17 lens. This lens is too small, so the image for the long distance is not very good as the bigger lens. Whatever, let me show you the image. Okay, you can see we record this video by our mobile phone. You can see the bridge, road, and the car vehicle is moving. The trees, even our Ms.Lemon module adopt a small lens with to detect the long range, but we can still see the clear details with the image. This one really with a very good performance.